In this video, I'm going to show you how you can view the bonds report. To do this, you're going to click on the Reports menu and under Financial, click on Bond. This report is only accessible if you have the bonds enabled and you have the user role access for financial reports. You're going to enter in the date you wish to view the report, and if you wish to search for guardians with a zero held bond, you can tick this option. Then you can click Search. This feature is helpful and will allow you to identify which enrolment and which child the bond charge and bond payments have been linked to. So you can see we display the guardian's name, the child's name, the enrolment ID, the amount that has been charged, the amount that has been paid, so when you apply a bond payment, any outstanding bond, so this is good if a guardian is paying off their bond, any bond refunds, and if you have made a refund via the transfer bond to fee, and the current bond that is held for each guardian and each enrolment. So you can see, for example, Callie Jones has 2 children with 2 enrolments, and bond charges and bond payments have been applied to both enrolments. So you need to ensure that the bond charge, the bond payment, and the bond refund all is entered on the same enrolment. Please note, you are unable to transfer bonds from one child's enrolment to another. So for example, if one child is leaving the service to go off to school and another child is starting for the family, you must complete the bond refund process for child 1 and then complete the process for child 2 from the start. For example, the bond charge right down to the bond payment and the bond refund. For any information on the bonds report or anything in relation to bonds, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft customer success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.